Tycorun is an innovative enterprise dedicated to advancing battery swapping system solutions, committed to driving technological breakthroughs and application implementation in fields ranging from two-wheelers to four-wheelers. As early as 2019, with a forward-looking vision, our company initiated independent research and development of related systems, while actively expanding its market presence. Tycorun took the lead in launching exclusive battery swapping systems in the two-wheeler sector and successfully achieved commercial operation, setting a replicable practical benchmark for the industry. In terms of product and service system, Tycorun has built an ecological matrix covering the entire industry chain. It not only includes hardware products such as high-performance batteries, intelligent swapping cabinets, and compatible motorcycles, but also is equipped with refined software systems. In terms of market layout, Tycorun's core markets focus on the Middle East and Africa. These two regions have become the key areas for the company to delve into, relying on the rapidly growing demand for new energy travel, the room for infrastructure upgrading, and the urgent need for efficient energy solutions. At present, Tycorun's global influence continues to expand. Its customer cases have been widely distributed in many regions, and the samples sent to more than 40 countries have also received positive feedback, fully demonstrating its recognition and penetration in the international market. As a leader in industry innovation, Tycorun has strategically integrated top resources in the battery swapping industry chain, enabling it to act as a comprehensive solution provider, flexibly respond to the changing needs of customers, and provide end-to-end services ranging from product design to implementation and operation.